Welcome to Island Rewind. I'm Cindy. I hope that you will like and you will follow my video. Watch till the end, please. Thank you. This is the calm before the storm. Buttoning down the hatches. Just showing you how calm it looks outside. But you know, they said we might not get electricity for a while if it does hit. So folks, be prepared maybe not to hear from me for some time if that happens. I surely hope it doesn't, but just in case, at least you know. Nothing, still, and nothing much. I don't know what you're seeing, but from my side here in Clarendon, this is how it looks. Still nothing much going on. Providing there is electricity, I hope to show you in real time what's happening. I hope everything will be okay. It is 8 p.m. Jamaica time on Saturday. This is just a little picture of the sky behind the trees, and this is Saturday night before the hurricane. Everything now looks nice and calm. The trees are at a standstill. So folks, this is Sunday. We're out on the road here. I asked my friend, the taxi driver, to come and pick me up so we can just go and have a look and see whether the shop's open. Probably not. The road is kind of deserted because they all got the memo. So there's nobody. I guess people are at their house trying to do whatever they can do at the last minute. So we'll just go and have a look, and I'll let you know. I'll show you whether it's open or not, but maybe not, because the owners want to as well secure their place and secure their staff, so probably not. We'll see. Yes, the shop is open, the supermarket, but because I have to pay for the taxi, I can't stay for very long. This was a marathon run, guys. Yeah, it was open, and this is what I bought. Some extras. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Thank you. Select groceries. Quick dash in and out of the supermarket, and I'm leaving now. Okay, select groceries. By the Millennium Plaza. The Millennium Plaza is in Clarendon. So, can you tell me? People were still getting their chicken and pizzas in Popeyes just before the hurricane. Wow, Jamaicans love their chicken. On our way back home now. Quite nice. Yeah, this is quite nice, right? It's getting windy. The petrol station has been boarded up. Supplies in. I'm just showing you the beauty and the lusciousness of Clarendon before the hurricane. Know what to expect, guys. Morning all. This is Sunday the 26th of October. It's almost 7 a.m. and it has started raining now. That's what they said. It starts raining first and then the aftermath will come. So it's just raining. That's all it's doing at the moment. The trees are very still. And that's all that's happening. Good morning. Well, I'm sending this one out before we lose electricity. Apparently, the warning has been sent to say that we're going to lose electricity soon. And of course, you know, if we could lose electricity, there's not going to be any internet. This is the morning of the 27th. Early hours of the morning. So if you don't hear from me, that is the reason why we don't have any electricity. Being honest with you, I'm getting slightly scared. Yeah. Although the people next door, I'm in this portion by myself. So look at the trees swaying. It started to sway. Look. You see the trees? I can hear it. I can hear the wind coming up. Just showing you a short clip of what the meteorologist was saying at the time.
When they move overland and there is no
about
source
what
of
to
water,
expect.
they tend to plateau or start to weaken. If there is a lot of friction on the land, if it's not just flat land that they're moving over and there are lots of hills, that also helps in kind of weakening the system. So that's why we often see systems moving from the east when they move over Haiti and the mountains of Hispaniola, that they tend to weaken significantly.
Unfortunately, we know it didn't weaken. Okay, so you do understand that I can't come out, so it will be basically the same view all the time. But what I'm showing you now are the trees. So we're going to view that tree and see when the wind starts picking up. That's how we know when things are getting bad. So from that tree we'll view. So it's now about 2:30 p.m. 27th of October, Monday 27th of October. So there it is. It's been raining now for some time. See the puddle there? Look at the rain. Quite a bit of rain. And so that's what they say, is that because it's raining so much, then the ground will get soft, and then that is how you have landslides. The mosquitoes too will be coming out to eat very soon, and I hate the mosquitoes. And so this is what's happening now, live. This is happening now. See the breeze already. See it's picking up. It's picking up. It's picking up right now. Okay, I'll continue to film as long as I can for you, so that your relatives, or out here in Jamaica, or even if you don't have relatives, those are concerned, can really see what's taking place from my from what I can see here in Clarendon. This is near Maypen. Okay, this is how the water have gathered at the back of the house. This is how it's gathered. So this is quite a deep pool there of water. Folks, it's about to get dark now. Don't know what's going to happen. Just thinking to myself, I just better make this video for you before it gets dark. And you see, you still have light and still have internet. You said you don't know how long this will last for. And so, look, there are people still speeding up on the road. That's the road up ahead there. I'll turn around so you can see. And so there has just been raining, continuously raining, just rain all the time. Yeah, and so let me just turn here and then you can see. Oh, that's me. That's better, isn't it? Okay, let me show you. So it's just raining all the time. As I said, that's the road up ahead there. Yeah, so this is the video before it gets dark. I don't know what's going to change very soon, but this is before it gets dark. It's only, what time now? About almost 4 o'clock, and it's so dark. Hi folks, getting serious now. The light just surged just now. It's time just to tell you that it's my first ever experience of hurricane here in Jamaica, and I'm on my own. There are people next door, but I'm on my own here, so slightly scared. It's just been raining non-stop. It just has not stopped, and I just think to myself, what can happen next if the water doesn't have anywhere to go? I'm just wondering, here, and a little bit worried. Just don't know what's ahead of us. They say Category 5 is a really severe hurricane. So I kind of know as far as the wind is concerned, because when my son was born in Florida, there was that hurricane, I think Andrew. Yeah, but I remember the devastation, but I don't remember it being very, very bad. I don't know what category that was, but this one, I think some of the power's gone, the TV is off, so perhaps the internet is off now as I'm just recording. Thank God we still have light, but from there I'm just keeping my torch safe. This little torch I actually bought it from, I think it was from Temu, this little torch here. So, and it's got different lightings. So I just have it safe. As I was just sitting here at one point, I heard like a rattle, and I just started thinking to myself, I wonder if it's the neighbor's roof that was flying off. So that's all I'll say for now, just in anticipation of what's to come. You see stuff going on in the world and you just look at it on TV, think that you're never going to be a part of it. And here I am, very unexpected. Here I am. Okay, I'm just blogging so that at least there's an encounter of what I went through here for the first time here in Jamaica. I woke up and saw the roof is leaking. I woke up, started leaking earlier, couldn't sleep. 12 a.m., 12 is it a.m. or p.m. in the night, 12 o'clock. Now it's after 2. Just had a packet of noodles, couldn't sleep, had to set a bucket. And this is concrete roof. 1 a.m. and it's still raining. I woke up Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, 28th of October. I've hardly slept. I've been up from midnight. Remember, I told you I was going to focus on that tree over there. Okay, so we're focusing on the tree. Have a look how it's swaying. I didn't think I'd still have internet, but I do. And so I'm just giving you an update. Someone suggested about me doing a live. Well, this is live, really, only probably less than an hour behind time. I won't be doing any live because I'm feeling kind of knackered, really, because I haven't slept. So that's how it is right now. See, focusing on the tree, it's like you get a surge of wind, and then it stops, and it's just been continuously raining since I last filmed, since early afternoon. It's just been raining, it hasn't stopped. I don't know, where all this rain, of course the soil is going to get very soft. So look, I'll probably take a look around the back and show you. So this is the back garden. Looks like a little pool area, really. Look how the water is just not going anywhere. So there it is. So that's what's happening right now. And this is just, I think it's about 5 a.m. our time, which should be, we're 5 hours ahead of, say, UK. And depends on the states, of course, it depends on where you are. So that's what's happening as of this morning, Tuesday. So I'm going to post this to you now. So all you guys that may have family or worried about me, I'm just really tired. As I said, because I haven't slept, yeah. Oh, the rain is getting more torrential. Tuesday morning, the day of the hurricane, 28th of October. I was attempting to mop up a little bit because the rain just kept coming in. It just looked awful. It was really useless what I was trying to do, really. Poor me, I have no idea. Trying to clean up because the rain just keeps coming in. I'm very bad now. I didn't open the door now. I can show you from the angle that I can show you from. How bad it's getting. There, like I told you about the tree up there. There's the tree. Can you hear all of that now? Okay, it looks as if the zinc on the shop, there's a shop in front there. Looks like it's going to come off. 28th of October, 1600 hours, 4 p.m. Jamaica time. Watch the tree, guys. Can you hear all of that now? Listen to the wind and rain, almost 24 hours non-stop rain. So at the moment, I don't have any light and I don't have any Wi-Fi. Just using my data at the moment. So I'm going to go and cook because we have gas. So we're going to cook very soon before I don't have any electricity later on. So I'm still trying to bring you up-to-date content. Thinking to myself, I better bring you whatever news there is. It's not too bad at the moment out there, I have to say. I really thought that, I would be very, very scared by now. You do hear the howling wind, and then you will see that now and again it will, like the wind will rush up, but it's really not that bad at the moment. It could get worse, but they said by 7 o'clock it should be on its way, should have left the island. And I have to tell you something. I was supposed to have traveled today. I was supposed to have traveled to Florida. My son is getting married on Saturday, and I don't know if I'm going to make the wedding now. So that's what I have to tell you. But guys, help me out and do press that follow button so that you can follow me, and I'll definitely show you what's going on. Thank you. See you soon. The cleanup begins. All from the ackee tree to the lady that was talking about the animals. See, the animals was even inside the house. One was even inside the house, so the animal was kept inside the house during the hurricane. This is where they were kept, on the veranda. Fallen tree branches. That famous tree that I was showing you during the hurricane, it stayed up. Yeah, there it is. I'm going to walk out now a little bit along the street and let you see if there's any devastation. But I think we got off relatively okay. All the wires are down. See? Most of the wires are down. Yeah. Remember, guys, please subscribe to my channel. But I'll let you know whether I got to Florida or not. Okay, so watch out for my video.